My TikTok viewers challenged me to color this entire page using only a limited palette they picked. The only color I got to choose was the skin tone because they know how obsessed I am with coloring skin, so at least I had a little control over it. I was really nervous.
Oh, yeah. Pray for me because I don't know.
This challenge was harder than I expected because at the time I didn't own a lot of markers. I was worried I wouldn't have enough shades to make the palette work, but somehow it didn't look terrible.
I think it's gonna look cute.
Things got a little scary halfway through, but you have to trust the process.
Such a challenge.
As I kept coloring, people in the live stream started reacting really positively, and that gave me confidence that the palette was actually coming together. By the end, I was surprised by how much I loved it. This challenge reminded me to stop worrying so much about the final result and just enjoy the process. Coloring is supposed to be relaxing, so next time I'm going to trust my viewers a little bit more and have fun with it. And if it goes completely wrong, at least we'll have a good laugh together. What colors would you like me to use next? And if you'd like to try this page yourself, it's from my Cute Girl Vibes coloring book, available on Amazon. See you next time. Bye.